The fastest way to use AI to build a central company brain is one tool I love to use, and it's called Viktor. So Viktor is this AI that integrates inside of your company. You have to use Slack to connect to it, but it's really straightforward to use, and it's one of the fastest ways I've been able to build a company brain across multiple companies. Now, I've done this for myself, for Trivium Group, and for other clients, and it's a very simple setup. So first of all you have to do is sign up for Viktor. You have to have a Slack account, so you have to sign up using Slack. Now, next thing that happens is it shows up in Slack, and the way to build a company brain is you need to start to feed it everything that you have. Now, make sure that you're only feeding it things you want it to know. Feed it all the SOPs and information and training that you've done yourself or is highly vetted. You don't want to feed it bad information. If there's an SOP done by, some low-level VA or employee that might have a ton of mistakes, I would avoid that. So I like to feed it only things from me, such as my SOPs, my training videos, my YouTube videos, my courses, etc. So I gave it all of that training, all the information. The reason when you're building a company brain, you don't want it to just know things about your company, right? Which is great, right? Like, let's say you connect it to everything and you're like, what is my sales? It's going to be like, my sales are X, Y, and Z. Amazing. But then it does not have any intelligence or any relevant intelligence according to your company. But if you have all your calls or recorded, or your training or consulting calls or whatever, stuff where you've shared knowledge and information and valuable stuff as if you're training an employee, then it becomes 10 times more intelligent. So get all of your SOPs, organize them and start feeding one by one by one. Think any good information and start to feed it. Not only that, but if you have information from people like me, for example, let's say you watched my YouTube videos, let's say you have my course and you're like, Mina's very intelligent. He knows exactly what he's talking about. I want to train it to know and have knowledge as good as Mina. You could also feed it my training. So I've done this. I fed it, my friend Dave and Gil's Limitless course for agencies, my friend Eddie's agency founders course. Again, all like good, high quality calls with very high level people. I fed it Human X, which is a media buyer ads course, Ashton Shanks, so one of the top media buyers in the world pretty much. So I've given it all this amazing information and now it is intelligent. And then the next step after that is, so number one, it now has information. Number two, I'm going to connect it to all of my software so it can have access to everything. So it can, start to become the central company brain. So I connected to my Google, my Slack, my HubSpot, my ChargeOver, my QuickBooks, my Gusto for payroll processing, my bank accounts, like, bank, obviously not the actual bank, but I have like a connector that can view the banks. So you can have view access to all my banks and know what's going on at all times. Now it has access to all of the softwares and it can do it via integration. So it has 3,200 integrations. You can literally just go integrate, or you give it API access. So you could say, hey, let's say it doesn't have an integration. You just go create an API key, give it the API key, also give it the API documentation page. So it knows what it can pull through the API. It'll know how to do it, but the documentation page helps. Or worst case scenario, you create a login like victor@triviumco.com, which is like any other employee. And then I would say, hey, here's your login and password for HubSpot, for example. You can go ahead and log in. And sometimes logging in is nice because if it can log in through a browser, it has access to its own email, it has access to its own browser. What it could do is it could actually go and scan pages and browse and take action. With API, you have limitations. With API, you can push, pull very certain endpoints. But with browser, you can literally do anything a human can do. And that's ultimately what you want. So you want to give it the most amount of control that you can have. It's fully protected. So it's SOC 2 certified. It's a very high security rating, which means it's a very secure software. Nothing's going to happen to your data. Obviously, something could happen to your data, but it's, as secure as any other big company like HubSpot or QuickBooks or whatever. And then from there, the final piece is integrating it into any additional conversations that you're having. So let's say if you're on Slack, giving it access to all the Slack channels. If you're on Discord, giving it access to all of the Discord channels. And now from there, you have a central company brain. Now you can talk to it through just direct DM with Viktor. Hey, ask it questions. Hey, Viktor, can you go pull, all the sales calls from the last 30 days, look at the transcripts, and tell me what are the main pain points of X, Y, and Z, right? Something like that. Or what I like to do is be a little bit more granular and I create a channel for each agent or topic. If we're talking about recruiting, I have one channel for that. If we're talking about sales, I have another channel for that. That actually produces better results. Even if you have a company brain, think about this. Let's say you have one COO of the company and they're overseeing 100 employees. Now, think about how much better information you're going to get. Instead of asking your COO about sales, if you go ask your head of sales about sales, or if you ask your head of marketing about marketing, let's say you go ask your COO, you're like, what's our CPA been, over the last 30 days and how has it fluctuated seasonally, right? They're not going to be as good as going directly to your marketing manager and being like, hey, can you tell me this information? Boom. Of course, I literally review this information every single day. So I would build it just like that. If you have certain recurring things. Now, sometimes I have a general thing. So I'm like, hey, Viktor, I want X, Y, and Z. And so, I'll go ask it this general question. But usually I like to keep everything, very tight. Now I have a full setup and SOP and template for you guys on how to build a command center, how to have a master behavior guide, how to build new agents and all this kind of stuff. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can download it completely for free. It's just to help you guys out. But in general, this is the fastest and best way, in my my opinion, to build a central company brain. It literally took me 1 week. I was in Japan. I was literally just working from the hotel room every single day. I spent maybe an hour or 2 hours on it, and I would just feed it, and organize it and structure it. And now, literally, you can ask it anything about my company. I had to build an entire data room to have every single piece of information I needed about my company, and then build an app that had that information, and I was able to do it like this. Literally, I think, it took us maybe 3-4 days, which building something like that would have taken us weeks if we were doing it manually. 3-4 days, we were able to pull massive amounts of raw data and move through them. I built for my med spa, I built the entire 12-month profit and loss, broken down piece by piece, with each section broken into its own tab, with full breakdown onto the vendors and how much, I spent for each vendor every single month. Look at that level of detail. I was able to do that in literally 2 hours flat with Viktor. So very powerful tool. I highly recommend you guys watch it. And then I have an entire video on literally Viktor implementation step by step, where I walk through how to feed it and all the SOPs and everything like that. Make sure you watch that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.